Hi friends, today's review will be OnePlus Nord 2. So welcome to our tech news. So I am Ahmed from ARZONE. Please subscribe our channel. I will tell you how much price in Bangladesh will be. OnePlus Nord will come very soon in Bangladesh. Its expected price I will tell in the last of the video. So keep watching, don't miss any type of single word because this video will be amazing. OnePlus Nord 2 is coming soon. Its release date is 28 July 2021. Its body dimensions is 158.9 into 73.2 into 8.3 mm, and its weight is 189 gram, and its display type is Fluid AMOLED, and its size is 6.43 inches. Resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels, and chipset is MediaTek MT 6898 Dimensity 1205G, and its CPU is octa-core 1 into 3.0 GHz Cortex A78 and 3 into 2.6 GHz Cortex A78 and 4 into 2.0 GHz Cortex A55, and its internal storage is 128 GB in 8 GB RAM and 256 GB in 12 GB RAM, and its front camera is 50 megapixel and single camera is 32 megapixel, and battery type is LiPo 4500 mAh, and charging is fast charging 5 watts. Colors: gray Syria, blue haze, green wood. And in Bangladesh its price is 35,000 taka expected. So take care. How is the video? Tell me in the comments and subscribe our channel.